Welcome to the HabTx course completion tutorial. The purpose of this video is to help you navigate the Lone Star Summer Series online curriculum, including how to complete individual lessons, how to finish the course, and how to download a certificate of completion at the end. I am going to use Restore Events as an example for this video. However, these steps should work with each course as part of the Lone Star Summer Series. To begin, make sure you are logged into your account on HabTx.org. Then click on the course that you want to complete. This will take you to the course homepage, as you can see on my screen. Next, click on the green button that says Start Course. Notice on the left side of the screen, each section and lesson is listed. For Restore Events, we have Overview, Plan and Prep, Example Events, and Course Discussion. Let's begin with Overview. In order to complete a lesson, you must watch the video and read the text below it. After completing the video and reading the text, click Next to move on to the following section. After completing a lesson, you'll notice that a green check mark appears by it. Repeat those steps for each of the following sections. For sections where there are no videos to watch and only text or attachments, in order to complete the lesson, you must click Complete Lesson. After clicking Complete Lesson, it shows up with a check mark just like the courses with the video. Finally, before finishing the course, click on Course Feedback. After submitting your feedback, return to the course homepage. Notice that the percentage bar is no longer empty, but shows your progress. It's important to note that course feedback and quizzes take longer to process, but you are still able to complete the course without it reading 100%. In order to complete the course, move your arrow or mouse over the Complete Course button below the Continue to Lesson button. It turns from gray to blue when you do that. Congratulations, you just completed your course. Now you can download the certificate and save it for later. Please reach out to us with any additional questions or concerns regarding our Lone Star Summer Series. Here at Habitat for Humanity, Texas, we want to help you succeed. Thank you for participating in the Lone Star Summer Series. We appreciate you and all you do for your community.